All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today. When's the adjective? So heavy. Heavy. Ugh. Heavy. Something that weighs a lot. Yeah, heavy. Yeah, let's look at that. Here we are, heavy. Yeah. So I can lift this heavy barbell. This heavy barbell. Ugh. Can you carry those heavy boxes? These boxes. I think this book is heavy. Is heavy. Yeah. But this book is not heavy. See, that book is heavy, but this book is not heavy. Yeah, not heavy. No. You see, I am used to carrying heavy things. Yeah. How cool is that? I train by lifting heavy things at the gym. Yes, very important. Did you move that heavy desk? This desk is heavy. How can you move it? How can you move it? I am carrying a heavy crate. Help me. Yeah, heavy crate. Yeah. We think it is a heavy burden for them to carry. Heavy burden. Emotional heavy burden. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, so we can only move heavy things there. Yes. So because we have so little time, we can only move the heavy things first. They need to be moved now, even though they are heavy. They have to be moved, even though they are heavy. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. Heavy. My hat is not heavy. No. Not heavy at all. Yeah. My hat is not heavy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use heavy in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.